Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we will start off with our question we ended with last class/lesson. Hope you enjoyed W3 schools, and also if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the notification bell so you can know when I post a new coding lesson and you can stay up to date on my channel. Let's get started. Our question was, what is going to be the output of this code? You guys might kind of be confused because 4 and 2 are decimals and they are floats, but 1 and 3 aren't. And you might be like, how did that integer become a float? How did that whole number become a decimal? 1.0 is the same thing as 1. So just adding that 0 in the end with that decimal point just makes it into a float, which they don't need to add an extra number except the 0 because 1.0 is the same value as 1. Same for the 3.0 is the same value as 3. That's why you have that 0.0 at the end, because it is a decimal. It's turned into a decimal, but an easier way of saying this is just 3. Then we will be going a little more on Python, and we're going to go through these two codes that we skipped, the integer and the string. As a refresh, these three things are integers, floats, and strings. INT stands for integer, float stands for float, no difference, and STR stands for string. Now, the STR parenthesis constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integers, iterals, and float iterals. So a string, it has a wide variety of data types. So there's integers and floats in a string. You can construct it in a string. And now, so our first example is going to be an integer. Now, since we have floats in here right now, it's gonna turn that float into an integer. That means in a float, we turned 1 and 3 into a float. But here in an integer, you turn 2.8 just into 2. And our next one is going to be the string, which in a string, it's just going to keep the same. So, as I said, in a string, it's going to be the same thing. A string can keep a float, as it said. It can have an integer. Now we're going to move on to Python strings, which will have our homework in there. And here in Python strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotes or double quote marks. So, as I said, hello world with single quotes and double quotes is the same thing. It's going to print the literal same thing. Now you can assign a string to a variable saying a is equal to hello, print a. And you can use a multi-line string by saying a equal to, and then 3 double quotes in a row, and then print a. Now, you can also do 3 single quotes in a row. And it's going to print lorem ipsum dolor sit, and so on and so on. So now we will get to the IDLE part. Now, today we are going to be trying out our assign string to a variable, the 3 different ways of doing that. So here's the code, and when we print it, it's going to print this. It's going to print I love Python, yeah! See, if you can look at that, that's like a kind of heart. It's like, that's the bottom, and the 3 is the top. And then we're going to try out a 3 double quotes. Oh, sorry, I forgot the equal sign. Never forget the equal sign. 3 double quotes. Don't make the A uppercase. Okay. Print it. It's the same thing. It's gonna like say what you wanted it to say. These are just random letters. And so that's it for today. And our question is going to be, how do you loop through a string in Python? So how do you loop through a string in Python? And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the notification bell. Bye!